Okay, so here we go. We have here the blue version of the Asus Transformer Prime TF300. It's also going to be available in a bunch of different colors. Overall, a very slim device. It looks very good, very nicely built. On the front face, you have the 10-inch display. It's the standard 10.1-inch display, 1280 by 100 pixels resolution with an IPS panel. You also have the Asus logo here in the corner, and you have the front facing camera. It's a 1.2 megapixel camera, and the light sensor on the front face. Nothing else, just like any standard Android tablet, except for this indicator, and I'm gonna tell you what this one does in just a couple of seconds. Having a quick look at the back, you notice this is made from plastic, but it's very sturdy plastic. It doesn't bend, it doesn't flex, very solid build, and it has this circle texture. So it's identical to the texture you also get on the Asus ZenBooks. You have the Asus logo, you also have the camera here. It's an 8 megapixel camera, no flash. And you also have here a speaker. So you no longer have two speakers, one on each side. You have a bigger speaker here on this right part, kind of similar to what you get on the iPad. In terms of thickness, this is just 10 millimeters thick, which is about 0.4 of an inch, and it weighs around 1.4 pounds, which is about 630 grams, something like this. So it's slightly heavier than the iPad 2. Now, having a quick look on the sides, let's see what you get here. On this part, you have the headphone jack, and that's pretty much all. On top, you have a microphone, and you have the power button over here. On this other side, we have the volume rocker, we have the HDMI port. I believe it's a mini HDMI port, and on this side over here you have the micro SD card slot, and on the bottom you have the charging connector and these connectors that allow you to connect the tablet to this thing, which is, of course, the docking. Like all the Asus Transformers, this one comes with a docking, also made from plastic, matte finish. It's also blue as this one. A matte finish on the back. You have the rubber feet that will allow you to place the docking on a table and use this like a mini computer. You have the keyboard, very nicely built, and for sure the keys feel softer than they used to be on the previous generation Transformer. Overall, very nice finish, and they are more comfortable as well. I've tried them. It won't. Over here you have the connector, and the tablet is going to be connected with this docking station quite easily. Just take it. You have the arrow here, like I said, and there is an arrow on the connector as well, and you just have to center one arrow on top of the other, and just press this, and there it is. It's connected. Right now the tablet is connected with the docking station, and overall this is how it looks. It's like a mini laptop, but it's definitely thin, it's definitely light. On the docking station you also have the charging dock. Nothing on this part, and on this part there is an SD card reader and a full-size USB. So only one USB, nothing on the back. And of course the docking station also includes a battery, which allows you to prolong the battery life of your tablet by quite a bit. Releasing the two, there is a lock here. Just have to take up the lock and then it will be released. And then if you want to put it back, remember, just have to center the arrows and it goes in like this. Definitely better than it used to be on the previous generation Transformers. And if you're wondering, this docking station is not the same docking station as the one on the Prime. It's slightly different. I don't think it will work. The docking station on the Prime will work on this one, and it's definitely not the docking station you had on the previous generation Transformer.